Hello, welcome to how to create shapes in Adobe InDesign. So there's actually quite a lot of different ways to create shapes in InDesign. So I'm just going to go through a blank document and just look at how we do it. So the first thing we're going to do is select the rectangle tool. As you might imagine, we just click and drag and we draw a rectangle. How else can we do that? Well, we could constrain the proportions, right? We could hold down Shift. And when we do that, you can see the proportions are constrained and we draw a rectangle like that. What's another way we could do it? Well, if we hold down the Alt key, we're actually going to make sure that the point which we drag from is the center of the rectangle. So I hold down Alt, and you can see now we've got the center of the rectangle. And what other ways? Well, the other way we could do, say we wanted to have a rectangle over here, we could just do that, and there's a random size there. And you see it basically sets the top left point where we click on the screen. So just a single click while we've got the rectangle tool selected. Now, what if we wanted to have a rectangle near? So we start drawing the rectangle, and we say, well, actually, I would probably want that in the corner. So what we can do is we can hold down space, and then we can move it while we're doing that, position it in place, and then let go. Okay, so we're drawing out this shape here, this rectangle. And what if we wanted to have, say, 4 columns? Well, we just press the right arrow, and there we've got 4 columns. And then if we do the same thing again, but instead of pressing the right arrow, we go for the up arrow, we have 4 rows. Say we want to do this area with the ellipse tool. Could do something like this, right? Make it a bit shorter. So lots of different things that we could do with that. Finally, we're going to look at the polygon tool, which is a little bit different. Because say, for instance, say we drew this triangle, pressing the keys here, the up and the right keys will obviously do that, right? So what we have to do then is if we want to increase the number of sides, we have to basically tap the space bar, and then we can go up in the number of sides. So say we go to a hexagon, we can press right and then up. And that way you can sort of choose how you want the shape to look.